One of the most common mistakes people make in gardening is actually overwatering. Now, it's important to water a lot in the first week. Like when you first transplant something, when seeds first start coming up or you first start trying to get things to germinate, yes, water a lot. But you got to back down from there or else you're going to run into problems. And herbs, like pretty much the number one reason people don't have success with herbs is because they're taking too good a care of them.
They just love them too much.
Yep. So rosemary, oregano, these things, they don't like to have a ton of water. If you think about where they come from like a Mediterranean area where it's going to be a ton of water and then not much water for a while. And then floods. And then, so what we like to do with our herbs is about once a week, we'll give them like a really good watering. And that's about all they need. Now, our app also has all this information in it. So if you go to oregano in the app and then go to the watering section, it's going to tell you how much water oregano needs. It'll do that for all the other plants too. So the app makes it easy to kind of, and when we build gardens, we'll put things together that need the same kind of watering conditions. We wouldn't want to have, I can't think of an example right now, but something that doesn't want much water right next to something that needs a lot of water.